Hey, what's good, family? Out here at UNE High School for their tech fair. Let's get in there and meet some young people who are way more smart than me. How about you all pay me $20,000 if I make this shot? Hey! Woo! If you win it, what's the look? What you got?
Yeah! Can't have Oakland without music.
Ooh, I like that. How does it work?
It has an ultrasonic sensor, so it measures the distance and the height of the object.
So what are we looking at here?
We have created the alarm to turn off the lights at designated times and turn it back on.
So of course, the point of business is to make money, right? And so how much profit would you all make from that? So I'm all about labor rights and workers' rights. Do these fish have a union?
Yes.
Can we eat them? Can we eat the bad fish? Nice. You should partner with that guy. He wants to have fish cleaning up their trash. I'm like, between your idea, his idea, y'all can figure something out.
Yes, because I feel like we should clean the environment and the community as well, because I feel like that's very important.
Seeing them work themselves, it made me think, what can I do?
Last question, most important question. Can I have one?
This is our pet monkey, Samuel.
Samuel's kind of dangerous, bro.
No, he's not, I swear. Our company is an app to prevent crime, mainly car theft and car break-ins. This is a big thing in the Bay Area.
This is cool, I like this. And mental health is a really important thing right now.
Not to mention, I wouldn't make this paid or anything either.
Oh, it'll be free.
It'll be free, public service.
Handshake, sir. Appreciate that. That's a good man right there. Good man right there. And I was like, oh, I'm doing something to it. Okay, cool.
It could be magic, it could be magic. Yeah, basically we could put whatever we want. We could put images, we could put letters.
Wait, before we leave, has anyone told you you look like Kid Cudi?
That's a new one. Kid Cudi, what do y'all think? Well, and there you have it. Congrats to all the young people for your hard work for this tech fair, and a special congratulations to our top 3 winners and our honorable special mention. All right, catch you all next time. Peace.